Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create tracking URLs in HubSpot. This is a powerful way to track exactly where your website traffic is coming from, whether it's email campaigns, social media posts, or paid ads, giving you clear insights into what's working and what's not. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to set up your tracking URLs, as these settings are account specific. After signing in, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the settings icon. Click on it to access your account settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot portal, including tracking and analytics features. Once you're in settings, turn your attention to the left sidebar, scroll down until you find tracking and analytics and click on it. This section houses all the tools you need to monitor and measure your marketing efforts, from page tracking codes to conversion analytics. After clicking Tracking and Analytics, a drop-down menu will expand with several options. Look for Tracking URLs in this list and click it. This is the specific tool that allows you to build custom URLs with UTM parameters that HubSpot can track and report on. Now you're ready to create your first tracking URL. Click the Create Tracking URL button to start building a new one. This button usually appears near the top of the page and opens up the URL Builder interface. In the first field labeled URL to track, enter the full web address you want people to land on. Make absolutely sure you include the correct protocol, either HTTP// or HTTPS//. This matters because an incorrect protocol can break the link or cause tracking issues. Next, you'll see several UTM fields that help categorize your traffic. Start with UTM campaign, where you'll select or enter the name of your marketing campaign. Then move to UTM source, which identifies where the traffic is coming from, like Facebook or your email newsletter. The UTM medium field is optional but useful for specifying the type of link, such as social, email, or CPC. If you want even more granular tracking, fill in the optional UTM term and UTM content fields. These are particularly helpful for A/B testing different ad variations or tracking specific keywords. Before finalizing, review any additional options HubSpot offers, such as sharing settings or a toggle to create a shortened URL. A short URL is especially handy for social media posts where character count matters. Once everything looks good, click Create to generate your tracking URL. HubSpot will build the URL with all your UTM parameters properly formatted, and you can now copy it and use it in your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.